How to remove background noise in Premiere Pro. You want to click on Windows at the top and click on Workspace. From here, just choose Effects. And from Effect, you want to click on Effect at the top right corner. Over here, you want to choose for this effect called denoise. Once you see it, just drag it on top of the video's audio, which you want to make denoise or like remove the background noise, and it's going to be added. Now, normally it should remove the background noise. If it doesn't remove it, you can always click on Effect Control, and under Effect Control, you will see the denoise added. So click on Edit. From here, you want to choose how much you want this denoise to affect. You can play around with the settings over here and choose different modes and levels. And after you play around with it, you can figure out how you can denoise, because your noise or like your background noise might be a lot larger than mine. So for you, it might require for this to be over here, or it might be less. So for in your case, it might has to be here. So listen to your sound and play around with this, and you will know like where to place this. Okay, that's how we guys can remove background noise in Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.